Hello you lovely people, welcome back to another video. Working on the Astra today, disc and pads all round and a few other little bits. Got back into buying and selling, couldn't help myself. So yeah, I'll let you crack on. We're doing some proper work on it today. And I might even get Robbie involved and see how we get on. Here she is, and all her former glory. Not a bad little one to be fair. But yeah, we'll crack on. Right, mate, always make sure you grease your sliders and grease your these bits.
You better pick up and give me this money like it's a stick up. You're the type to want a six-pack but never do a setup. You're on the grind now, living out your best life. When that don't exist, just like your sex life. And on the dating app, so you get her left swipes. I know what you're worth, just like an ex-wife. So drop the alpha shit, you're looking silly, bro. You ain't no bad boy, my bro works for Diddy, bro. It ain't no biggie though, I know you see me glow. Instead of giving props, you wanna act like you did it.
Massive thank you to Robbie.
Fuck off, man. I don't want my titties out in your YouTube video.
Subscribe to his OnlyFans, link below. Only titties.
Only titties.
Front ones are all done. Well, front one is all done. Right, that is disc and pads all round done on the Astra. Time to get it up for sale. Hopefully get a sale on it. There's Mr. Collins on his quad bar ski. He's happy as Larry. Massive thank you all of you for watching from the bottom of my heart. Hope you all enjoyed it. Like I said, uploads every Sunday at 6 o'clock without fail. Make sure you like and subscribe for all the content yet to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Boom.